It's a challenging job market for anyone starting their career right now. How do you make sure you shine in the recruitment process and show you have the experience and skills that employers are looking for? My name is Helen Bryant. I'm the founder of Growth Inc. and we are a learning and development business on a mission to help people learn the skills to thrive in their career. In this video, I will share the key soft skills that employers are looking for and what you need to do to show that you have them. According to a recent report by Pearson, employers thought only 13% of new graduates arrived ready to hit the ground running. They thought 69% of graduates were somewhat ready and nearly a fifth were not work ready at all. The skills that they said were missing are what are called soft skills. These are people skills such as leadership, communication, collaboration, teamwork and problem solving. Now, why these skills are so important is that our world of work is changing so fast that these skills are becoming more and more needed to make work work. In a world of complexity, technology and change, skills that help people work better both individually and together are critical. These skills are called soft skills, which really makes them sound easy or simple, but actually they're quite hard to do. And that's one of the reasons that they are so valuable and sought after by employers. So how do you show that you have these skills, especially when you haven't started work yet? Well, the good news is that you do have experience and soft skills. You just need to really bring them alive for your future employer. So we have a list of 6 of the top soft skills that you need to do. And we want you to think about examples in your life where you have used them. You need to identify the best examples that really explain what you did and then be ready to tell that story. Okay, let's start with teamwork. Be it a sports team, a study group, a social group you're part of, what you need to be able to do is show that you know what it means to be in a team, what it's like to work with others to achieve a goal. Why this is important is work is teamwork by its very nature. Teams at work are often cross-functional and often remote from each other. You want to show that you are proactive in a team. You know what the ups and downs are of being in a team and the benefits that teamwork really bring. Number 2 is getting to know and work with people who are different to you. And this is all about showing that you can work with anyone, that you can connect with people and have awareness and empathy for people who are very different to you. Now, inclusion and diversity are enormously important in the world of work right now, but much starts with an individual's awareness and abilities to work with people who are different to them. Number 3 is influencing someone or persuading them of a course of action, maybe changing someone's mind. This is an important part of collaboration and problem solving. So what did you do and how did you go about getting someone to change their mind? Helping to make good decisions, being willing to share a different point of view are both examples of influence and persuasion. So it's an important skill to master. Number 4 is managing conflict or a difficult situation. So how did you do it? Why this is important is it builds on the collaboration and problem solving skill set I just mentioned. Good collaboration needs disagreements to be brought out into the open and resolved. Issues are rarely black or white, most sit in the grey. So being able to help bring both sides out, calming emotions and finding common ground are really valuable skills. Number 5 is setting goals and managing yourself to get things done, even if you have setbacks. So much of success at work is about proactivity, get up and go, and self-management. Now, unlike school or college, there's no syllabus to follow. You need to organise yourself to get things done, work with others, and solve problems. The more you can show you do this, the more your future employer will value you. Whether it was revising and passing your exams, a personal challenge you successfully completed, You need to be able to explain how you set your goals and managed yourself to achieve them. And number 6 is pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and learning new things. Why this is important is the ability to learn is a key skill of this century, as everything is just changing so fast, so we cannot stand still. It's also really important in helping to build our resilience. Now, a part of learning, and an important part, is being comfortable with being uncomfortable, a willingness to try new things. Now, you're probably out of your comfort zone right now as you look for work. What are you doing to learn more? What does it feel like? That is the kind of story you need to share. You can also share something that didn't work as you intended, but you learned lots from it anyway. Now, as you prepare your examples, the more recent the examples, the better. But if not, just use some older ones. The important thing is to be able to show your future employer that you have these soft skills. Maybe talk with your family and friends about the list. What examples do they have of when you showed these skills? Be honest. Don't put on an act. Authenticity is important, and it's a key part of building trust with your future employer. Now, once you've got your examples, you need to get them into your CV and your LinkedIn profile. So work backwards, first in your CV, to make sure the experience is noted. In your LinkedIn profile, use the description to share your experience and your goals. What are you looking for in your career? So, for example, you might describe yourself as a self-motivated team player who's experienced in solving problems and works well with others. You might add, I'm working to build a career in, and then describe your goals. Now, secondly, when it comes to your interviews, it's all in the preparation. So think about the questions that you may be asked, and then work backwards to get these examples into your questions. Now, don't repeat the same example. Think about how you can mix and match your examples to give the best possible view of yourself. So there you go, the top soft skills employers are looking for and how to make sure you can show that you have them. If you have a question or a comment, drop it into the comments below or reach out to us on our other social channels. If you found this useful, please subscribe to our channel. We regularly share lessons on how to thrive in your career, and it will help others find us. And if you have friends who you think would benefit, please share it with them. Now, good luck with your job hunting, and remember, it may take a little time and effort, but you will be successful. So make sure that you make those soft skills really shine.